Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making creamy mushroom pasta. Soft pasta tossed in a rich garlicky cream sauce with mushrooms and cheese. It's quick, easy and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. In a large pot, bring plenty of water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 250 grams of pasta. Cook until tender. Before draining, take out 1 cup of the pasta water and set it aside. Then drain the pasta and keep it aside. In a large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes until all the moisture evaporates. Once the mushrooms are ready, add 1 tablespoon of butter and the 4 minced garlic cloves. Cook for a minute just until the garlic becomes fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Give everything a good mix so the spices coat the mushrooms nicely. Pour in 1 1/2 cups of cooking cream and stir gently. Add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and mix well. Let the sauce simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes until it slightly thickens. Add the reserved pasta water to the sauce and stir well. Now add in cooked pasta and mix until every piece is coated with that rich creamy sauce. Let it simmer on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so all the flavors come together. Serve hot. You can sprinkle some extra Parmesan cheese and that's it, creamy mushrooms pasta that's flavorful and so easy to make. Happy cooking and see you next time.